Hello, everyone, and welcome back. You know what's actually frustrating? Typing the same information into Excel again and again every single day, names, numbers, details over and over. It's slow, boring, and honestly, it's a waste of time. So instead of doing that, let's build something smarter. A simple input form with a submit button that sends your data straight into a table instantly. No coding skills needed. Here is the setup. At the top of the sheet, we create a small input area where user can type things like student ID, name, age, contract, and course. Then below that, we have a table where all the records are stored. Now, here is the idea. We're going to make Excel repeat our actions automatically, and we do that using something called a macro. Before we start, if you don't see the developer tab in Excel, go to File, Options, Customize ribbon, then check the box for developer and click OK. Now go to the developer tab, click Record Macro, give it a name, for example, student data, then click OK. From this moment, Excel is recording everything you do. Insert a row, copy the form data, paste it correctly into the table, and clear the form. Once you're done, go back to the developer tab and click stop recording. Now let's make this easy to use. Go to insert, button, draw the button near your form. When you prompt, select your macro, in our example student data, and click OK. Rename the button to something clear, like submit data. You can also format it, make it bold, and increase the size so it stands out. Now fill in your form with new information. Click the button and watch what happens. Your data is instantly added to the table, and the form resets automatically. No more repetitive typing, no more wasted time, just one click. This is one of those simple Excel tricks that can save you hours of work. Try it yourself, and once you do, you won't go back. If you enjoy practical Excel tips like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.